Greeting dear children. We are doing compound interest questions and now it is question number 2. Kamlesh borrowed from bank rupees 26,400. Whatever money is borrowed or lended, that is called principal, and rate is 15% per annum compounded annually. It is compounded annually mana after year by year interest will be added. Time is 2 years 4 months. Compound interest is applied year by year and time is in year and months. So what we will be doing? Let us see here. First we will get the amount after 2 years. What is the formula for amount? A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to power n, because after 2 years I am getting 26,400 into 1 plus rate is 15% per annum, and I am interested to get the amount after 2 years. 5 3s are 15, 20. So this is 26,400 into 1 plus 3 by 20 whole raised to power 2. Some student has asked from me how to get the interest LCM. So I am finding here 26,400. Take LCM because it is 1 by 1. So I will take 20 as LCM. 21 the 20. 20 plus 3 whole raised to power 2. So 20 plus 3 is 23. So 26,400 into 23 by 20 whole raised to power 2. 26,400 23 by 20. I am changing it into product form. 23 by 20. 2 zeros will cancel. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Again 2 6 the 12. 2 6 the 12. 23 into 23 is 529, and when 529 is multiplied by 66, what we are getting here, answer is coming to be 34914 rupees. So this is the amount after 2 years. Amount of 2 years will become the principal for next time, next 4 months. So therefore principal for next how many months? 4 months is equal to amount of 2 years. Amount of 2 years is rupees 34914. Now I have to find time is now 4 months. 2 years I have calculated. Now I have to calculate for 4 months. Time is 4 months, and if I will change it into year, that will be equal to 1 by 3 years. Now rate is also given to be 15% per annum. Time I have taken in years. So I will get the simple interest P into R into T by 100. So P is 34914. Rate is 15% and time is 1 by 3. We will do the cancellation. So when I multiply these two, what I am getting 1745.70, because 100 is in the denominator. This is giving the answer 174570 upon 100 is this. So I got this simple interest. So total amount to be paid, will be equal to principal plus interest. Principal is rupees 34914.00 and this is 1745.70. Add these two, you will get the answer. So answer will be 36,659.70. I hope you have understood this question. So you can complete this question. Next question is question number 5. Question number 5 is, you can read that question also. Vasudevan invested money equal to 60,000 rupees. Money invested is 60,000 rupees at the rate of 12% annum, compounded half yearly. Because it is compounded half yearly, so what we have to do? Rate will be half, because it is rate will be equal to R by 2%. What is there? If rate is given to be 12%, so 12 by 2 is 6% half yearly. Why? Because it is compounded half yearly. You have to very carefully note down whether the compound interest is applied half yearly or annually. Because interest is being applied half yearly, so rate will also be applied half of yearly. That will be equal to 6%. And we have to find first part. Time is 6 months. If time is 6 months, it means n is equal to 1/2 year. Right? So we will be taking n is equal to 1. So let us find what amount would he get. A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 raised to power n. Rate but we have to take half yearly rate. So 60,000 1 plus 6% of 1. So 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10. So have you understood how to take the LCM? 1 plus 3 by 50. It is having 1. So take the LCM as 50. 50 ones are 50 plus 3. So what will be there? 60,000 into 53 by 50. 1 0 cancel. In table of 5, 12 0 0. So when it will be multiplied, but we are getting answer will be 63600. So this is the amount which is payable after 6 months. Similarly, you can get for the 12 months, that is 1 year. Simply you have to take here n equal to 2, because 1 year is having how many half years? 2 half years. So you will do it yourself. Complete this much questions. I will be explaining you question number 6 and 8 and 9 in my next video. Do it. Thank you very much.